ODUMEJE'S. It's okay, Abi. Normal. Let's go there, let's get mad. Are you the... Okay. Yes, sir. I give you this thing. Mama. Hey, who like this thing? That's for us. Okay. More life, brother, more life. ODUMEJE'S. Ladies and gentlemen, happy birthday, ODUMEJE'S. Let's go there. Update, I see you. Okay. Who's your guy? Listen to me. ODUMEJE'S, my guy. Hey.
Today happens to be his birthday, and we are on set of Nzuko August. And because he has been a very hard-working, a very dedicated son of this house, this home, and this production, my family, and everybody here. So we decided to celebrate him in a special way. The little we can do, we might not give him money, we might not give him anything, but the happiness that comes from our hearts is what's appreciated. He's one of the person that when he's going to do something, okay, me without or even in your absence, he can do it, and then he's not perfect. He's not perfect, right? Because nobody is perfect. But there are some things, there are some dedications. There are some things he do here. Sometimes when I look at it, I say, wow, God has a way of bringing people together. So today, I celebrate you. And this is just the beginning of your celebration. Yes, you will never stop your journey halfway. Amen. You make your parents proud. Amen. He always carry his parents along. Each time we talk about his parents, the urge or the feelings he always gives towards the parents is second to none. Whenever I hear him talk about my mom,
the feelings he always talk is appalling.
It's
appalling.
Very, very appalling and disgusting. So if you always appreciate your parents, if you always carry your parents along, if you always feel about your parents, but when you put them behind, you'll be left behind. So today we celebrate him. All the Chifimo crew. Mama Rita Idoche is here for a special day. Mommy Njideka Okeke is here. Is here a special day. Amarane TV, the chairman of online in-laws, Ndowa, she's here. And Mommy Amaka, wow. She her sugar mommy is here. Father Wamba is here. Akunebaju is here. My beautiful children, look at them, beautiful, special people. Look at them. They are here. Koi. Miss Koi is here. Our director Boko. I am here. My wife is here. Look at my children upstairs. All of them are celebrating. Hello, Nyonzo. My daughter is here. My production manager, Remy Juice, Daniel Ekopra, Alaba, Elugu, then this one too. It's here. That's my beautiful daughter. All of us are here to celebrate him. And my security man, Genesis. He's a wonderful person too. So all of us are here to make him feel belong, to make him feel happy. We cannot do anything about it. Celebrate one another. That is the reason we are here. We still have other drinks. Alaba. I should to tell them we start celebration.
This is Imo. Just one request. This is Let's go.